I think, I really believe that we are in a paradigm change where you have true ownership of money. The only way to be truly secure is to be decentralized. What we do in Marinade, we have a mission that is decentralize Solana as much as we can.
So back in the day, you used to have to stake your soul with a validator, and then it just sat with the validator. And then Marinade came along and said, hey, we could be way more efficient with this. Why don't you stake it with us? We'll give it to the validator, and then we'll give you this liquid token called MSOL, and then you can do DeFi, you can participate in covered vaults, whatever you might want to do. And so it just gave people a lot more options with their soul in a way to make money and to be more liquid.
That's the origin of the idea of liquid staking. Let's say you see something that it is complex, but you can make it easier to operate for the general user.
One thing that's different about Marinade than I'd say almost every other Solana project is we didn't take any VC money, so it's all been bootstrapped. So what that means is that no one has 50% of the tokens locked up or whatever.
When I entered the community, there already was this kind of lore story around Marinade, like the name Marinade and the marinators and the chefs. Basically, the only instruction that I got from them was that we would like to keep this path.
The only way to survive, let's say, whatever comes in the future, in this special case of crypto, is community.
Building a community is about creating value for the users, a reason for the users to kind of hang around. A part of the Marinade community successes is the use of Discord. And it also gives the users an opportunity to be directly in touch with the developers and the team behind Marinade as well, which is quite unique comparing to like traditional world. It's just absolutely impossible to talk with like the big bosses of the company, right? So I feel that meeting here in Perugia, Italy, is a huge team building event to really cement the relationships between us contributors in the DAO, to make the Marinade kitchen work more efficiently when we're cooking up awesome dishes and meals for the Solana ecosystem.
People may have a significant impact that is outsized when you compare to the amount of voting power that they may perceive that they have.
We are so many people from all over the world working together, and I wanted our brand to show that too.
Marinade right now is the single largest factor of decentralization on Solana, and making the Solana validator network more robust and secure. More than 6 million sold to more than 450 validators on the network. It has a great impact on the future of the Solana network. So I think so far we've done great with our mission of decentralizing Solana. But fact is that we're still just a tiny bit of all the Solana out there that is staked through Marinade.